Your stomach growls and you assume you are hungry. You are really hearing your gut clean itself out. The medical name for that rumble is boborygmy. It is gas and liquid squeezed through a mostly empty tract. Less food inside means less muffling, so you finally hear it. Between meals, a wave of strong contractions sweeps your stomach and small intestine. Physiologists call it the migrating motor complex. It returns roughly every 90 to 120 minutes while you fast. The strongest phase clears leftover residue and pushes bacteria onward. Eating interrupts it, so the housekeeper wave only runs between meals. So that growl is not hunger, it is housekeeping you can hear. That's one. Your body is hiding hundreds more. Hit subscribe.